Hi, I'm Jeff Saunders. I'm a program director for the undergraduate psychology program at the University of Hong Kong. And I'd like to tell you a little bit about our program and our department. But first, what is psychology and what does studying psychology involve? Psychologists are interested in questions like, how do we perceive the world? How do we make sense of sensory information and social cues and use that to understand what's going on? Why might some people experience the same event and perceive it differently? What is consciousness, and how would you even go about studying it scientifically? What makes us depressed or anxious, and why are some people able to cope with stress and trauma and other people have recurring problems, and how could we help those people? How does the mind and brain develop during childhood and adolescence? Why do some children have trouble learning to read or do math, and what can we do to help them? Why do we sleep? What is its function in our cognitive capacities? So these are the kind of things that psychologists are interested in study. Now, what would you do if you came and studied as a psychology major at Hong Kong U? So our course is designed to give you a breadth of knowledge, so you'd be taking courses in a range of topics, and you'd be required to do some over certain areas like social and developmental and cognitive and biological to make sure you had a breadth of knowledge, but also give you an opportunity to specialize and take some electives. You'll also learn research skills. So that's an important part. Psychology is a science, and part of that is being able to do data analysis and perform statistical tests and design a study. So you'll also be learning that kind of thing. We have courses for research methods, but there's a lot of opportunities for hands-on research. All our faculty members, in addition to being educators, are active researchers. So we have labs doing internationally regarded research in a wide range of areas. Most of the labs will accept interns, so you could volunteer and get some experience seeing research in action. We also have formal internship courses where you're embedded in a lab for a semester. And a lot of students also conduct a thesis project where you're doing a whole project independently, collecting data under supervision of one of our faculty members. So there's a lot of opportunities for doing hands-on research. If all that sounds interesting to you, I'd encourage you to consider coming to study psychology here at University of Hong Kong, and maybe I'll see you on campus in the coming years.